Ford's Model T changed everything. The car was dependable, fast for its time, and reliable. With cars came freedom. People fell in love with cars. Even more, people fell in love with driving. And with that, cruising was born. It's all about getting in your car, the older the better, and hitting the open roads. Most of the time, cruising is not done on major highways, but rather taking the back roads. Even if you aren't a car person, there's just something about a car. The lure of the open road, the wind rushing through your hands, the sound of the car's engine, or the conversation. Cars deeply connect people. Cruising is just for the love of driving and the love of cars.